So one more time to try to explain vertical and horizontal shifts. So it says the function g of m gives the number of gallons of gas required to drive m miles. So what does g of m plus 10 mean? Well, it means I'm going to drive so many miles. So I'm going to drive m miles, but I need 10 more gallons of gasoline. Right? Okay, oops, gallons of gas. So maybe I'm gonna like warm up the car, like I live someplace where it's really cold, so I'm not driving, I just start the car, I use up 10 gallons of gas, yikes. Anyway, and then I start driving. So I need what I'm gonna drive, how many gallons I need to drive the miles, but then I needed 10 more for like the warm up. Okay, now what does the other one mean? G of m plus 10. Well, that's saying I already drove 10 miles and now I'm going to start driving more. So I'm going to need whatever I'm going to drive plus 10 miles. So I'm going to drive m miles plus 10 more. And then that's how much gas I need. It's the gas I need, the gallons I need of gas. The total number of miles. Okay, so let's say I'm going to try to make some sense of this on the graph. Just the bottom one. The top one probably makes some sense. Okay, so on the bottom we're trying to relate that horizontal shift. Let's say I drive 1 mile, and let's say it takes me 20 gallons of gas to drive 1 mile. Okay. And then I drive a second mile and it's 40 gallons of gas, right? So I have like these 2 points here and it's just going to increase like that, right? Okay, but now I'm saying m plus 10. So I'm actually at 11 miles, right? Like way out here. I'm going to drive 11 miles and it's going to be the 20 gallons of gas, because I already did the 10 miles, okay? No, that's wrong. Okay, so I got to back up. That doesn't make sense, right? So I need the 11 miles to be like way up here someplace. Okay, that's fine. Kind of ignore that. All right, that didn't make sense. All right. So if I back up to -9 miles, that would be the 20. Because I'd put the -9 in, plus the 10, and then I'm going to go 10 miles. So I only drove 1 mile, and I actually got 20 for that. And if I put in a -8, that would be the 40, because when you put in the -8, you'd say, oh, that's the gallons I need for 2 miles, okay? And so you get it to go like this, which eventually, like if it kept going, is going to be, you're going to hit that 11 miles, right? Okay, so, and it's going to be whatever it costs you to do 11 miles, gallons. How many gallons it takes to drive 11 miles. Okay, I don't know if that helped or not.